Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School, your ultimate source of everything to do with YouTube automation. Today's comprehensive and educational video is about the top 5 automation crypto cash cow channel ideas. Today, we'll be diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency and exploring some of the most profitable and successful channel ideas on YouTube. These areas in the cryptosphere have found success on YouTube by focusing on a specific sub-niche within the field, and we'll be analyzing their earnings and discussing why they have been so successful. We'll also provide tips on how you can start your own automation crypto channel and find success in this exciting and lucrative industry. Technical analysis is a well-known niche within the cryptocurrency market and can be an ideal choice for those looking to start a YouTube automation channel. Technical analysis involves the study of past market data to make informed trading decisions and predict future trends. A YouTube channel that focuses on technical analysis offers daily analysis of different cryptocurrencies and provides valuable insights and predictions to its audience. This type of channel has the potential to earn money through sponsorships and advertisements, as well as through selling its own trading courses and resources. By providing a unique and valuable perspective on the crypto market, a technical analysis channel can attract and retain a large audience. The estimated revenue per mil (RPM) for a technical analysis YouTube channel can range from $50,000 to $100,000 per year. This makes it a lucrative option for those interested in starting a YouTube automation channel in the cryptocurrency niche. To succeed in this niche, it's crucial to have a deep understanding of technical analysis and to provide valuable insights and predictions to the audience. With dedication, hard work, and high-quality content, a technical analysis channel has the potential to be a profitable and rewarding endeavor. The second YouTube automation crypto channel model, News and Updates, focuses on providing the latest news and updates in the world of cryptocurrency. This channel stays ahead of the curve by offering up-to-date information on new developments in the industry, as well as analyzing their potential impact on the market. The channel earns revenue through advertisements and sponsorships, as well as through offering premium content for a fee. By staying ahead of the curve and providing timely information, this channel is able to keep its viewers informed and ahead of the competition. This model is popular among crypto enthusiasts who are looking for credible and reliable sources of information on the crypto market. The estimated RPM for a YouTube channel that follows this niche ranges from $40,000 to $80,000 annually. The success of this channel depends on providing high-quality content that is relevant and informative. With the right strategy, dedication, and commitment, this channel can be a profitable and rewarding endeavor for those interested in starting a YouTube automation crypto channel. The third channel idea is focused on providing in-depth lessons and guides on cryptocurrency trading. This channel covers everything from the basics to advanced trading strategies, making it a valuable resource for viewers looking to get into the crypto market. With clear and concise instructions, the channel is able to help its viewers become successful traders. The Trading Tutorials channel earns money through advertisements, sponsorships, and premium courses and resources that they offer for a fee. The revenue potential for this channel is high, as there is a large demand for clear and accessible cryptocurrency trading education. It's estimated that a successful Trading Tutorials channel could earn anywhere from $75,000 to $150,000 per year. The success of this channel lies in its ability to provide clear and concise instructions on cryptocurrency trading. By breaking down complex concepts into manageable pieces, the channel is able to help its viewers become successful traders. Additionally, with a growing interest in cryptocurrency, the demand for trading education is at an all-time high, making this a lucrative niche for those looking to start a YouTube automation channel. Mining and staking is all about providing information on the process of mining and staking in the cryptocurrency market. This channel aims to educate its audience on the best mining hardware and software and how to set up and maintain a successful mining operation. In addition to mining, the channel also covers the topic of staking, which involves holding onto your cryptocurrency in a wallet in exchange for a reward. The channel offers tutorials and in-depth information on this topic to help its viewers earn passive income in the crypto market. This channel earns money through advertisements, sponsorships, and offering premium courses and resources for a fee. With its focus on providing valuable information and resources, this channel has established itself as a credible source of information and has a high potential for revenue. The estimated RPM for a YouTube channel following this niche is estimated to be around $75,000 to $100,000 per year. The fifth YouTube automation crypto channel idea focuses on altcoin analysis. Altcoins are alternative cryptocurrencies that are not as well known as Bitcoin. This channel provides a unique perspective on the crypto market by offering in-depth analysis of various altcoins. It aims to educate its viewers on lesser-known cryptocurrencies and help them make informed investment decisions. The channel earns money through advertisements and sponsorships, as well as through offering premium courses and resources. By providing valuable information on up-and-coming coins with huge potential for growth, this channel has the ability to attract a large and dedicated following. The RPM for this niche can range from $30,000 to $60,000 annually, making it a profitable option for those interested in creating a YouTube automation crypto channel. To succeed in this niche, it's crucial to have a deep understanding of altcoins and provide valuable information to the audience. By staying up to date with the latest developments in the altcoin market, this channel can establish itself as a credible source of information and attract loyal followers. With hard work, dedication, and high-quality content, this channel has the potential to be a profitable and rewarding endeavor for those interested in the cryptocurrency market. So how can you start your own automation crypto channel and find success in this exciting and lucrative industry? The first step is to identify a sub-niche within the crypto world that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from technical analysis to mining and staking. Next, create high-quality content that is informative and educational, and make sure to stay up to date on the latest developments in your chosen sub-niche. Finally, interact with your audience and build a community. Respond to comments and engage with your viewers, and consider offering premium content or resources for a fee. With hard work and dedication, you too can find success in the world of automation crypto channels. In conclusion, the world of crypto is vast and there are many opportunities to find success and earn money through automation crypto channels. Whether you're interested in technical analysis, news and updates, trading tutorials, mining and staking, or altcoin analysis, there is a sub-niche within crypto that you can specialize in and find success. Just remember, the key to success is to be knowledgeable, dedicated, and always stay up to date on the latest developments in your chosen sub-niche. Thank you for watching this informative and educational video on the top 5 automation crypto cash cow channel ideas. We hope that you have learned something new about the world of crypto and have been inspired to start your own channel. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative and educational content. Until next time, see you later, Automators.